Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 257 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about giving yourself a gentle reset, letting go of whatever feels heavy and starting fresh in this moment. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Release the weight of yesterday, the worries of tomorrow. Now, say to yourself, I allow myself to reset. This moment is enough. And I begin again with peace. Keep breathing gently. Let this fresh start settle into your body and mind. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of renewal with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.